everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'm back with another content on how to log into your QVC credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet by pressing on that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post another tutorial video. Open up your web browser to begin. In the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, soon after you do that, go ahead and type in qvc.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the login area directly soon after you hit that link. Go to the user ID text box and type in your user ID. Make sure to enter your user ID correct and head over to the password field to type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on the show link right at the corner of the password box, which will help you reveal your password. If you want the system to remember your user ID so that next time you won't have to type it again and again, click on the remember user ID box right beneath the password box. But make sure to leave it unchecked before logging into your account if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can click on this I forgot my user ID link and follow the instructions. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password during the process, click on this password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in your information correct and you're ready to log into your QVC credit card account, click on the secure login button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your QVC credit card using your desktop, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Again, thank you for watching.